Welcome to Cellular Sonics. I am Rachel Ellery, an osteopath of 19 years and an anatomy educator here in Indonesia. And this is my friend
Eeshi-Ra Hart, and I'm passionate about sound. I've been working with the Bodyworker since '91 and working with sound since 2001.
And together we are collaborating to create an interesting sound healing integration therapy for you to bring into your treatments.
It's a beautiful way of bringing another modality in to complement your patient treatment. How would it be if you could actually bring in a modality which is benefiting at a structural but a cellular level, treating patients for inflammation in a deeper way, increasing blood flow, helping pain, and also working with fibroblasts and nitric oxide, so many different scientific and medically researched frequencies which have been already shown to be very effective in creating amazing healing outcomes. So we hope you come on a journey with us and learn cellular sonics.